try do it as kind of slow as possible so you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is take your foundation. Okay, this is my one. It's just any foundation you have is fine. Just make sure it matches your skin tone. Okay, so as I have it out on my hand here, so you can do the same if you want. And then I have a foundation brush. Okay, so obviously you put the foundation on the brush and then you just start to work it in. Okay, so just make sure you cover everywhere. So I think brushing it kind of like in a circular motion is the best because it buffs it in and gives you a really nice coverage. Okay, so just keep working away, adding more onto your brush as you need it. Make sure you get right under them eyes. Okay, around the sides of the hair, kind of cover the edge of the ears there, and then blend it on down the neck. Okay, just to make sure that you don't have a line. Okay, just keep going till you have your whole face covered. The other ear as well there. Okay, I'm going to put a bit more on my brush now to do up this area. Okay, so make sure you get up the hairline as well. Don't leave anything out. Make sure you get around the eyebrows as well. Always leave the eye sockets till the end. Okay, so make sure you've buffed it all in there. Okay, now okay, so now I'm going to put a bit more onto my brush and I'm going to go over the eyes. The reason I'm using the foundation and not a concealer on the eyes is because my foundation is quite heavy. I've used one here, so it's actually one for eyes and face, so it's fine. You can use the foundation on your eyes as well, whatever one you have. So just make sure you get right in, see in the socket in there, underneath again, and the edges just under the eyebrows. Okay, and just make sure it's all worked in and that you're happy with it. Check that there's no line under the chin. Bring it right down. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm happy with that now. Okay, so as you can see, it's all blended in. Okay. Now, so the next step we're going to do is we're just going to give the eyebrows a little brush and a tiny bit of a shape, okay? Because as you can see, the foundation has got a bit in there, okay? And with a 1920s look, they did have a bit of a distinct eyebrow. I wouldn't worry about them too much. Just take one of these brushes, okay? It's an eyebrow comb. Just give them a little brush. You should have a natural shape already. Now, so just brush them into place. Okay? Next thing I'm going to do is take an angular brush, okay? And I'm going to take a shadow here. I'm using brown, okay, even though I'm blonde, because 1920s they did have quite a dark eyebrow, browny black type thing, okay? So you just dip it in, okay, and just follow gently the natural brow. You're just colouring in what you already have. You might see me looking to the side a bit. I have a second mirror there, alright, just because sometimes it's a bit hard to see what I'm doing myself in the camera. So just follow it gently. You just want to make sure it's a little bit more distinct. Nothing too mad or anything, okay? So as you can see, just compared to the other one, it just gives my eye a bit of a better shape, okay? All I've done is just colour it in with a bit of shadow. So move on to the next one. Just same thing again. You're just following the natural hairline. You're just giving them a little bit of colour. Now, okay, the two are just filled in nicely. Alright, so just give my face a bit of a better shape. Just run the comb back over them once more. Just make sure there's no excess, okay? So, now the next part, which is the most important part, is the eyeshadow, okay? This is the part that you really want to concentrate on. So, I'm just going to take a flat brush, any flat eyeshadow brush, okay? I'm going to take a pale light eyeshadow colour. Okay, so anything you have there is fine. Just make sure it's a pale kind of white or a cream. Okay, so you're literally just going to dip the brush in till it's covered in the white, okay? Okay, and then we're just gonna literally pat all over the eye socket there, okay? Just pat it away. Okay, I'm just gonna put a bit more on my brush here, okay? Just want to make sure it really sticks out. Patting just makes it, you know, stay on better than rubbing. Okay, so once you feel confident that it looks kind of white enough and that you've got in the corner and all around, okay, so you can see compared to my other eye. So now I'm just going to do the other eye. Same thing again, just pat on. Okay. Just make sure you're happy with them again, and, you know, okay, just like that. Okay,